Okay, so today I wanted to talk about the one thing that stops people from achieving their goals. So here we've got Amy. And Amy has worked on what she wants, and what she wants is to finish writing her book. Now the thing is, Amy has been working on this book for 3 years and she hasn't got very far, but she still has this goal of having a book. And she's sick of the fact that it isn't happening. She did all the work, she did the visualizing, she knows what the book is about, she's got the title, she's worked on what she needs to have in the book. So over here, her goal is to finish writing her book. So that sounds good. The next thing, the thing that is happening is that she's not doing it. She's getting distracted. So for the last few years, Amy has had this goal of writing a book. She hasn't done it because she gets distracted. So she gets distracted about all sorts of things. So this brings us to what we need to do to stop getting distracted, to get that book written so that Amy has achieved her goal. So what I would say to Amy is the first thing she needs to do is ask a question every single time she starts to do something. And the question is, does this take me closer to achieving my goal? And in Amy's case, she'd be saying to herself, does this take me closer to getting my book written and finished? And if the answer is yes, then do it. And if the answer is no, then think really carefully about, do you want to waste your time doing it? Now that means that Amy has got to get really clear about the things that are going to take her closer to achieving a goal. Things like committing, to writing every day, and that doesn't mean committing to sitting down for 8 hours and writing. It might mean that Amy says, okay, I'm going to commit to every morning and every afternoon I'm going to spend 30 minutes on writing my book. And that is the only way that she's going to achieve her goal. And if she doesn't do that, then her goal will not happen. So Amy's goal is to finish writing her book, and what she needs to do is to stop getting distracted, and the way to do that is to ask herself this question every single time she goes to do something. Does this take me closer to achieving my goal? And the first thing that's going to take her closer to achieving her goal is committing to writing every single day. Now, she might say that's Monday to Friday because I need time off on the weekends. That's great. She might say, as I said, twice a day for 30 minutes, she's going to sit down and write something that's going to take her closer to achieving her goal of writing her book. So in terms of achieving your goals, the first thing is to be really clear about what your goal is. And the second thing is ask this question on every time you go to do something. Does this take me closer to achieving my goal? Now, there's going to be sometimes things that you'll say, no, it doesn't, but I need to do it. So, for example, it might be that Amy's partner and her decide to have a 3-day break because they've both been working hard, so they're going to go away on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Amy says, no, it's not really going to take me closer to achieving my goal, but I'm going to make up for it next week because I didn't do those 2 30-minute slots on Friday. I'm going to do them on Monday. So it's still going to take her a commitment to achieve her goal, but if Amy is really clear about what she's saying yes or no to, then she is going to be able to say, yes, I will do that, and no, that's not going to get me there. I want to write my book, and to do that, I have to do the things that are going to take me closer. So the first thing is be really clear about what your goal is. The second thing is stop the distractions by asking yourself, does this take me closer to achieving my goal? Yes or no? If it's yes, do it. If it's no, be really clear about, no, I'm not going to do that. Or if you do it, be clear that while you're doing it, you are moving a little bit further away from achieving your goal. So by Amy asking those questions every day is going to take her to achieving her goal of having that book written, and she's going to be really clear about what she needs to get there. So I hope that helped, and let me know what your goal is and what it's like for you to start asking this question, does this take me closer to achieving my goal? That's, as I said, this is Kay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're aware of all my other videos. There's quite a few down there, so watch them as well. Let me know what you think. Any questions or comments, do so below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.